जय जगन्नाथ समस्तंको and welcome back to OS Aspirant. Today we will cover a very important topic from Indian polity, the Election Commissioner of India. Whatever you are preparing for OPSC prelim or mains, questions from this topic are very obvious to be seen. So stay tuned till the end. We will understand its history, structure, powers and some current update about it. And when it comes to historical background of Election Commission of India, the Election Commission of India was established on 25th January 1950 under Article 324 of Indian Constitution. That's why we celebrate nationwide Voters' Day on 25th January every year. The first general election in India was held between October 1951 to February 1952. Possible The man who made it possible was Sukumar Sen, India's first Chief Election Commissioner 1950 to 1958. Nearly 173 million people were eligible to vote. That's why it was a massive democratic exercise of the world. And when it comes to constitutional provisions, the election commissioner's powers comes from Article 324 to 329 of the Indian Constitution. It's a permanent and independent constitutional body and it conducts free and fair election to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, state legislative assembly and councils, president and vice president of India. Let's see the composition of Election Commissioner of India. Initially in 1950, there was only one Chief Election Commissioner. Later in 1989, two additional election commissioners were appointed, making it to a multi-member body. Currently, it consists of one Chief Election Commissioner and two election commissioners. All have equal powers and salaries similar to a Supreme Court judge. And one most known fact is they are appointed by the President of India. Let's know the current Chief Election Commissioner of India. As of 2025, the Chief Election Commissioner of India is Gyanesh Kumar. He took charge on 19th February 2025, succeeding Rajiv Kumar. He is a 1988 batch IAS officer of the Kerala cadre. His tenure will continue till January 2029 or until he turns 65, whichever is earlier. Here we must have to remember one fact that the highest age of a chief election commissioner is 65. Let's see function and power of election commission. First is supervise elections to parliament, state legislature and presidential or vice presidential offices. Second is registers political parties and allocates symbols. Third is monitors model code of conducts. Fourth is prepares electoral rolls. Fifth is advises president and governors on qualification issues. Sixth is conduct by elections. Seventh is can cancel or postpone polls in case of malpractices. Let's see what are the challenges faced by ECI or Election Commission of India. Challenges includes influence of money and muscle power, fake voter IDs and electoral malpractices. And third is political pressure on the commission. Fourth is misinformation on social media. To handle this, ECI use EVMs, VVPATs and strict monitoring throughout the election. So aspirant, the Election Commissioner of India stand as a guardian of democracy. From Sukumar Sen to Gyanesh Kumar, every chief election commissioner has strengthened our electoral system. This topic connects with Indian polity, current affairs, and ethics in public administration. Keep revising and practicing MCQs. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to OS Aspirant channel.